Hey there, so how are you? My name is Jorge Fuentes. Welcome to my channel. And by the way, I wanna let you know that I just built an app that is a speech to text app, right? It's absolutely free. It works very well. I want you to try it out. It's in the link in the description. And the reason I created this app is because one, if you search for a speech to text app today on Google or ChatGPT and so on and so forth, you will find that all of them require some type of subscription or have like a free trial. Mine doesn't. Mine is absolutely free and it does practically the same thing. Now you might be thinking also, the second thing is, why don't you just talk to ChatGPT, in voice mode and have it like transcribe the stuff? Yes, you could do that, but unfortunately ChatGPT, fortunately and unfortunately at the same time, it actually talks to you. It has a conversation with you. So what that does is that you may not get the exact transcript that you're looking for. With my app you do, and nobody's talking back to you. It's whatever you want to say and transcribe, and then you can export it, email it to yourself, copy the whole text, or simply clear it and redo it again. You also don't need an account to test this out. I'm not going to grab anybody's data at all. That's it. The next thing is also any app that is actually doing the same thing that my app does and is free, they have a butt ton of ads in the website. Okay, mine doesn't have any ads. The only ads, well, there are 3 ads, which are my ads, by the way, so that makes the web page load much faster and easier. They're just my ads for the stuff that I've done. They're just affiliate links. You can click on them or not. They're all the way at the bottom. They're not disruptive at all with your experience. They're all the way at the bottom. You'll notice that they're in the sponsored section of it. So test it out, let me know your thoughts, and definitely if you have any feedback, let me know. By the way, there are some warnings and notes within the app that you'll notice very quickly there. The only thing is that this is an app ideally for desktop, so that you should use on your workspace. Whenever you're working on desktop, but on Google Chrome, or if you're going to use it on a phone, ideally make it use it on not on Android, sorry, on iPhone or iOS in this case, and on Safari. So that's the only 2 things. This app, unfortunately, right now was built only for Chrome for desktop or Safari for iOS. Hopefully, almost everybody can fit into one of the 2 buckets. Let me know your thoughts. I'm here for you, and if you have any questions about how I built it, the process I used for it, the apps that I used for building it, let me know. And also, if you have any questions or see any bugs in the app or any issues you run into, I'm also approachable. I'm gonna leave the link below so that you can access the app and then leave your feedback in this video. Thank you. So today I want to show you a quick app here that I just created. Let me know if it's useful for you. But basically, you're going to go to speech2text.today, and here we are, right? So do know that this is an app that you can start testing out right away. And what it basically does is that you can start allowing it to record your microphone, and what it will do is that it will generate your transcript from whatever you're seeing on the mic or so on and so forth. And then do know that the limit is up to 100,000 characters, so that's pretty long. You can actually do a whole speech or book or interview here, and then you'll have that as a transcript. You can email it to yourself, you can export it, you can copy it, you can clear it and redo it. Do know that right now you can't create an account, so I would make sure that you do the one-time run and auto-save this locally, and that's pretty much it. Here's how to use it, and below you'll actually see some ads because this is a free app, so these are all sponsored. And then do know that this is done, this was an app I made for you all, and you can actually follow my YouTube and take a look at my website. And then do know that on the top right we do have the toggle, so we can speak to it in Spanish, right, French, English, and so on and so forth, with a lot of other languages that you can choose from. And then, yes, just a quick note here across the board. For the best experience, we recommend using Google Chrome on desktop or Safari on iOS. Other browsers may have limited speed recognition support, such as the new Atlas browser, for example. I do not recommend using it there just yet. And then also with other browsers that we have not, we're not focusing on right now. But basically, yes, do not go ahead and let me know your thoughts. Right now, do know that any speech to text app is mostly not free. There are a couple of free apps available out there, but as I've been trying all of those apps, they have a lot of limitations. Some of them do not allow you to go nowhere near 100,000 characters in your transcript. You also can't, email the stuff to yourself or export it. You can only copy it or clear it. You need to make an account in order for you to to save your progress. So here also you don't need to make an account. It's free, but I do recommend that you always save your work, even as an export or as a copy. And do know that just stay within the 100,000 character range, and you should be good to go. Let me know your thoughts, and feel free to start trying the app right now. Thank you.